how to sound naturally to speak this language. When you speak, then your voice, your tongue, your face expression and your smile is a very matter to speak this language. And when this body language is so to other people, then your English will be look very good, very confident. You are very confident to speak this language, and your tongue is a very good and roll. And when you speak, then you look that you are a professional speaker, and you are a, maybe you are a native speaker, and you are absolutely capable to speak this language. So in this video I'm going to share with you that how can you enhance your English communication skill and English speaking skill. In this video I'm going to share with you how sound better to speak this language, and how to look like a native speaker, and how to speak the language native speaker. So first is a very important, focus on the rhythm, not just a word. This thing is a very important, because you know that most of the beginner, most of the lot of the my friends also do this thing, that focus on the word, not focus on the rhythm. So you can try to focus on the rhythm when you speak. Then you can try to focus on the rhythm, not just a word, not just a vocabularies. Like when I speak, like I go to market. So this is a like I focus only word, like I go to market, I'm go to market. But I'm say I'm go to market, and I'm go to market. So you can see the between the difference, both of things. I am go to the market, I'm go to the market. So this is a very important, that you are smiling and your rhythm, you are like when you speak, then you are not stuck, you not feel nervousness that when you speak. So please try to keep a rhythm, a little bit good rhythm. Like when you speak, like a how are you, this is a normal. But I am saying you that how are you, oh how are you, hi Karan, how are you? So this is a good thing, that this is a rhythm. I'm speaking with a rhythm like a native speaker. This is a very important for you, that if you want to enhance your English speaking. So this point is a major important for your English learning journey. You know, rhythm is a very important, and all language has a wound oneself rhythm. Like English has a other rhythm, Hindi has a other rhythm. And when any one person speak, like a Shahrukh Khan is speaking this language, Shahrukh Khan is speaking this language, then Shahrukh Khan's like a speaking style, face expression, smile, tongue roll, and body language is a different, and little bit rhythm is a different. But when I am speaking language, then my rhythm is a different, my rhythm is a level, my rhythm level is a beginner, but Shahrukh Khan's rhythm level is a high level, because he has a habit to speak this language. He has approximately 20 years past, from the 20-year past, he are able to speak this language. So this is a very thing, that very big thing, that he is a very habitual, he has a habit to speak this language. But I don't have a habit to speak this language regularly. That's why my rhythm is a, and rhythm and vocabulary power and pronunciation is a not very good, not very sufficient to me. I know that. So this is a rhythm. So first is a try to enhance your rhythm, and try to speak on the rhythm. Like when you speak, then like I gave you example, like how are you. This is simple, but I am saying you how are you Karan. Oh how are you Karan. So this is a good thing. Okay, this is a better to enhance your rhythm, and try to speak this language. This is a very important. And second is a try to shadowing practice. You know, shadowing practice is a more important. Like if you are watching any cartoon, any movie, any scenario, anything you are watching in English speaking, regarding to English speaking, then you are try to, then you can try to speak with them as well as with them. Like one, for example, I want to give an example. Like this is a Shahrukh Khan video, this is a Shahrukh Khan video, and as well as the Shahrukh Khan I want to speak like this is a Shahrukh Khan video. Okay,
So also, if you think
so
I've had a
also of
successful
think
career, a great
a
past
great person
performance
is
and my
of experience
experiences of
it,
it are no
and no
assurance
assures
that it'll
that
work
it
in the
will work
future
of
for
future
you
you
or work for
or
you
work
at
for you
all.
at all.
And anyway,
And anyway,
none of what I
none of
say
what I say
today you will
today you
remember
will
as soon
remember
as you're
as
out
soon
of
as
here. or maybe even earlier
maybe
because you're
even
still
earlier
sleeping
because
from
you are
the big
still
party you
from the
guys
big
had last
party of
night.
the guys last night.
What I say may make
What I
sense
say
to your
make
mom or
a
dad,
SOR and mom
who
dad.
will remember it
I'll
some
remember
years
it
down
and
the
some
line,
down the line,
and they will also
and they
remember
will
it
also
for the
remember the
inappropriate things that I'm going
inappropriate
to say tonight.
I'm going to say.
But you are here,
But
and
you
so
are
am
here,
I.
and so I.
So I promise to
So I
keep this
promise to
extremely
keep
crisp and
extremely
sharp.
crisp and
20
sharp.
minutes
And,
tops.
this is Arukh Khan video. So this is a I don't have a lot of the habit to speak a shadowing because do not most of the time I do shadowing practice. That's why I don't have a habit to do this thing. That's why I don't have habit. But you can try to speak with a shadowing practice with them. Like a Sarukh Khan is a big and is native like a native speaker. Maybe you can say that his voice looks like a native. So please you can try to do to shadowing practice, and when you are doing to shadowing practice, then your efficiency to speak this language is enhanced. Okay, so this is a very important thing. And third is a think in English language. You are thinking in English language whenever you go, whatever you think, whatever is running out in your mind, you can try to speak in English. Please, you can change in your mind's language. You are thinking in your native language, but right now, from the right now, 2 days from, you can try to speak, you can try to think in English. Sorry, speak not. You can try to think in English in your mind, and whenever you go, you are wherever you go, and wherever you go, you can try to think in English language and create an environment like English. And fourth point is a very important, because fourth is a literally this is a very important. So fourth point is the name is a use the contraction words. Contraction word is a very important. Contraction word like I'm say like I want to say, and use the contraction I want to say. This is a very looks like a natural. This sounds drain the natural. This is a very native speaker. You are a see, you are a you can that this is a very important. You are seeing that you are a native speaker to speak this language. And like a I am going to market, and used to contraction I am say I'm gonna to market. I'm gonna to market. And I'm like this contraction word is a very important. Like I will, I'll, he will, he'll, she will, she'll, they will, they'll, you are, your, I am, I would, I'd, I had, I'd. So this thing is a very important. This is a make you that you are a native speaker to speak this language. This contraction word is extremely important for your English communication skills. And as well as this think and this contraction word and shadowing practice, and try to focus on rhythm. This 4 points is basic to enhance your English speaking. And fourth is a complete. And fifth is a try to create an environment like a English speaking, and try to speak this language. Because if you don't try to speak this language, and then how can you get the fluency? Please tell me, how can you get fluency that you are not trying to speak this language? Because language is a speaking, totally speaking. Language is a totally speaking. Anywhere you go, you should create an environment to speak this language. You are go to the market, you go to the college, you go to the school, then you should think in English language, and try to a little bit sentence, use a little bit sentences. Okay, so try to use this language and try to create an environment. Like you can seek the English newspaper. You can seek like a lot of the podcast and YouTube videos on the play on the on the YouTube. You can download the app on the Play Store. A lot of the app available to speak this language. And this is a little bit creating the environment. This is a assist you to speak this language. And six is try to use the like a filler words. This is a filler words. Like I'm saying, like this is a between like a I usually, generally, eventually. So this is maybe you can say that this is a linking word, as well as this is a filler word. Like when I do for when I have forgotten the some topic and some vocabulary, then I should it means I can use the this kind of the a little bit filler words, like usually, yeah, generally, journally, you should I know, do you know, so many things you can do. So thank you for watching till the end, and see you